Ready for an exfoliation fiesta? Hi, I'm Katie and I have just a recipe for you. Today in the AFI DIY lab, we'll be making some salt scrub with an awesome fragrance. Let's get started. To start this project, combine your fractionated coconut oil and olive oil into your mixing container. Next, you add in your vitamin E oil. This will act as an antioxidant to help keep the oils in a recipe from going rancid. Add the Himalayan salt bit by bit, using a spatula to fold it in with the rest of the ingredients. We chose Margarita Fragrance because it smells amazing, and we think it will fit perfectly with this product. It's already measured out, so you just have to dump it in and give everything one last thorough mix before the next step. Now all you need to do is carefully spoon it into your packaging jars. This project is so simple, you guys should definitely go try it out and tag us on our socials with your results. Since it costs us about $2 to make, we recommend wholesaling it for $4 to $6 and retailing it for $8 to $12, depending on the additives you add to this. Well, that wraps up today's episode of AFI's DIYs. We hope you guys enjoyed. If you want more content like this one, go ahead and leave a like down below and join our notification squad by subscribing and hitting that bell icon. I'll see you guys in the next one. Bye!